Please welcome back my channel English Literature #Thought Yoga. After a long time, we will discuss about the introduction of Shashi Deshpande. Shashi Deshpande is the Indian novelist. She wrote so many novels and got Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Shri Award, and born in 1938. We will discuss about many key facts about Shashi Deshpande. Let's start. Shashi Deshpande, born 1938, is an Indian novelist. She is recipient of the Sahitya Akademi Award and the Padma Shri Award in 1990 and 2009 respectively. She was born in Dharwad, Karnataka, the second daughter of the Kannada dramatist and writer Adya Rangacharya and Shraddha Adya. Adya Rangacharya is her father and Shraddha Adya was mother, I think. She was educated in Bombay and Bangalore, degree in economics and law, and she works as a journalist and studied also degree in economics and law in Mumbai. She studied journalism at the Vidya Bhavan and worked for a few months as a journalist for the magazine Onlooker. Onlooker is work. A few months as a journalist for the magazine Onlooker, she published her first collection of short stories in 1978. शॉर्ट स्टोरीज का जो फर्स्ट कलेक्शन है वो पब्लिश किया था. And her first novel, The Dark Horse No Terror, it is the best known, well known and famous work of Shashi Deshpande. She won 1980 में उसने साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड भी वॉन किया था. The Sahitya Akademi Award for the novel That Long Silence in 1990 and the Padma Shri Award in 2009. Her novel Shadow Play was shortlisted for the Hindu Literary Prize in 2014. This is the introduction and key facts of Shashi Deshpande, and in short, I'll try to tell in short all things. First, she born in 1938. She won Sahitya Akademi Award for his short story collection and the novel No Terrors, The Dark Horse No Terrors, and she wrote another novel that is That Long Silence in 1990 and award Padma Shri, and last award is Hindu Literary Prize in 2014. इसने तीन अवार्ड वॉन किए थे, साहित्य अकादमी, पद्मश्री एंड लिटरेरी प्राइज. इसने जो साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड है वो किया था वॉन शॉर्ट स्टोरी कलेक्शन एंड द नोवेल फॉर The Dark Horse No Terror and another That Long Silence, and last Shadow के लिए जो नोवेल उसका एक शेडो है उसके लिए हिंदू लिटरेरी प्राइज किया था 2014. ये इसके इंट्रोडक्शन है एंड की फैक्ट्स है. आई ट्राई इन माई बेस्ट वे. आई थिंक कि आपको समझ में आया होगा. इट इज यूजफुल फॉर यू फॉर मेनी एग्जाम्स. इट इज यूजफुल फॉर फर्स्ट ग्रेड, सेकेंड ग्रेड एंड ऑल्सो फॉर नेट एग्जाम्स एंड MA इंग्लिश लिटरेचर, BA इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. आई होप आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल होगा. अगर आपके लिए यूजफुल होता है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड शेयर माई वीडियोज. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू.